Hello children, myself Ishwarchand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing chapter 8, comparing quantities. Okay, so watch this video up to the end, then you understand better. Okay, today we learn some new things. So we start finding the increase or decrease percent. Okay, as here the name suggests, increase or decrease, and we have to find the percent, how much they increase or decrease. First we determine whether the number increase or decrease. Okay, then percentage increase or decrease is found by the amount of change, whether it is increase or decrease. We found the amount of change by the difference of original number and the new number. Okay, then we get the amount of change. So amount of change divided by original number into 100 is the percentage increase or decrease. Okay, now we learn these ideas with the help of example. Here the example 1, the price of a scooter was rupees 34,000 last year. It has increased by 20%. Okay, this year. What is the price now? This is our question. We have provided the percentage increase and the original amount. Okay, so now we solve. First we found the given thing. Given price of a scooter is rupees 34,000 as we received here. Increase in price, how much? 20%. So this is the original amount and this is the percentage. First we convert this percentage by dividing 100 into the number. So 20%, that is 20 by 100. This 0 cancel out by this 0, this 0 cancel out by this 0. Okay, so 3400 into 2, that is rupees 6,800. This is increase in price. Okay, this is the amount which increase in price, and we have to found the new price. So new price equals old price plus increase. Old price means original amount. This is the original amount. So we write here, and this is the increase in price as amount. So we add them, we get the new price. Okay, so old price, that is 34,000 plus rupees 6,800 is our new price. So by adding this we get rupees 40,800. This way we found new price. Okay, so learn this well. But if we want to found decrease, so calculate reduction. How much is the reduction? And then new price is the old price, that is original price, minus reduction. Okay, so remember these two formulas and use as required. So this way you can able to solve the question. Okay, now we learn finding discounts. Discount is a reduction given on the marked price. Okay, this marked price, and this marked price can be shown as MP, marked price. Okay, so in later on we use MP instead of marked price. Okay, so discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. This marked price, nothing else. Generally, you looking maximum retail price. This marked price or the printed rate, that is maximum retail price, are one and the same things. So you consider this marked price, and this minus sale price is the discount. Okay, so learn well. In short, we write discount equals marked price, that is MP, sale price as SP. Okay, so learn this. Now we take example 2. An item marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 714. This is the marked price, that is MRP. Sold for rupees 714. What is the discount and discount percent? Discount is the amount and discount percent we also found. So discount equals marked price minus sale price. This is the marked price and this is the sale price. So subtract them, this and this. 840 and rupees 714. We get rupees 126. So rupees 126 is the discount. Now we have to found percentage discount. Discount percent. How much percent we get the discount? So on marked price of rupees 840, the discount is rupees this 126. So this 126 divided by 840 in 200 is the percentage discount. So write this. That is, what is the discount divided by the initial price, that is marked price, MRP, and multiply by 100, we convert it as percentage. So this cancel by this, and by solving this we get 15%. Now we learn example 3. The list price of a frock is 220. A discount of 20% is announced. This is the percentage discount on sales. What is the amount of discount on it and its sale price? So what we have provided? List price, that is marked price. List price is also a marked price, that is MRP, and this is the percentage discount. 20% discount is announced on sale. So first we found amount of discount and what is the sale price. So marked price, we know that marked price equal to list price. This discount is 20%. This is given to us. So amount of discount is, this is the marked price, that is list price, and this is the percentage. So convert this into the number. So 20 by 100. We convert the percentage into the number. So 20 by 100. This 0 cancel by this 0 cancel by this. 22 into 2, rupees 44. Rupees 44 is the amount of discount. We found this. Now we have to found sale price. Okay. So the sale price is, this is the list price, and deduct this discount. So rupees 44 we deduct. So 220 minus rupees 44, that is we get rupees 176. So sale price is rupees 176. So this way we solve the question. Okay. Now we learn price related to buying and selling. Okay. If we want to buy something or we want to sell something, then we have to know about the profit and loss. But before learn the profit and loss, we have to know some technical terms, that is sale price, that is cost price. Okay. Sale price is the price in which a thing or an object sold. If this is greater than the cost price, we have profit. Okay. Cost price is the price in which a seller can take it. It also include some expenditure doing by the seller. Here we have to know that first we check whether the sale price or cost price, which one is greater. If sale price is greater than the cost price, we have some profit. So first we check sale price and cost price. If sale price is greater than cost price, we have profit. And how much is the profit? We have to subtract this cost price from sale price. So sale price minus cost price is profit. Okay, but if cost price is greater than sale price, then we have some loss. And how much the loss? Cost price minus sale price. Because here sale price is smaller, so we have to subtract this from cost price, and we found the loss. Okay, now one more thing we have to know, how we found the percentage. If we have profit, that is sale price is greater than cost price, by difference of them we get the profit. But profit divided by the cost price into 100 is the percentage profit. So this way we can found the percentage profit. Okay, but if we have loss, then loss divided by the cost price into 100 is the percentage loss. So remember these technical terms, these are very necessary to know. Okay, so use them, use these formulas to found the profit and loss. Okay, now we take some example. Example 4. Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator for rupees 250. That is this much amount Sohan has paid, but the refrigerator is second-hand, so then spend rupees 500 on its repair. This expenditure is also done by the seller. So this is also adding in this. Okay. And then sold it for rupees 3300. Find his loss or gain percent. Okay. So first we have to calculate the real cost price. This is initial price of Sohan. Then he spent rupees 500. So this is also added in this. Okay. So Sohan afford this in rupees 3000 by adding this. Overhead expenses are added to give cost price. Okay. Overhead expenses are added in initial price. Then we found the cost price. And a seller then decide that how much price he put. Now here this sale price 3300, which is greater than this cost price. Okay. So as sale price is greater than cost price, he made a profit. This way we can found the profit. Okay. Now after found the profit by making difference to 3300 and 3000, we get the rupees 300. This is the profit. Okay. Now we have to found percentage profit. That is 300 divided by the cost price, that is 3000, and by multiplying 100 we convert it into the percentage. This zero cancel out by this zero, this cancel out by this zero, and this cancel out by this zero, and we have to divide by 3 one time and this by 10 times. So 10 is the percent. So profit percentage is 10. So he gained 10% profit. So this way we can solve our problems. Okay. So solve exercise 8.2 questions. This is your homework for today. Okay. Have a nice day. Thanks.